And I'd also would like just to say thanks to the Muntori, to Ray, Cleena, John and Emer for all their work.
What about me? You didn't mention me yet.
Of course, Seamus, give me a chance. You're very impatient, you know, and Seamus for your contribution to the programme, you know.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. And you are? Who are you?
I don't know. I'm still trying to find out. But they say I'm Micheál Martin. I'm Taoiseach, in charge of the government and all of that.
Oh, in charge of the government. Yeah. I don't know about that because I'm not into politics. You get it?
I get it. I know you're taking off now as well, yeah. And,
I'm not into politics because I'm just a puppy dog, you know?
You're just a puppy dog, yeah.
Yeah. But hey, you
By the way, I have a dog as well watching now. He's going to get very jealous when he sees me talking to you, Seamus, you know. And his name is Setanta.
Setanta?
Yeah, dangerous dog, Seamus.
A dangerous dog? What type of dog is Setanta?
He's a Bichon Frise. So.
He doesn't sound too scary to me.
It's the name. It's all in the name, you know.
Oh, yeah. I think really Setanta has good fun hanging out with you. I heard politicians are great fun. Is that true that politicians are great fun?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I heard that when politicians get together, it's always a party.
Very clever, Seamus. Always.
Yeah.
Yeah.